Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the rotate tool to rotate your points, either by bearing a set degrees or however you so want to set your angle of rotation around a central point. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to open up my map screen here, and I'm going to head to the plumb bob in the bottom left corner and open up my calculations menu. And within my calculations menu here, I'm going to scroll to the bottom and select the rotate, translate, scale tool, and then the apply user defined parameters here. Now you're going to see that I have three different options: rotate, translate, and scale, just as the name of the tool would suggest. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the rotate option from my menu here, and you're going to see that I can set a rotation around a base point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set that using the map screen here. So I can just double click in the entry box here, and I can open up a menu to select my points here. In my case, as I said, I want to select it from the map. So I'm going to open up my map screen here and select point number 2 and then hit select. And then you can set a rotation angle around a simple angle. In my case, as I said, I'm going to be using a set angle. In my case, I'm just going to make it nice and easy on us and use 90 degrees so we can see a nice obvious rotation. Once I have that set here, I'm going to hit adjust points, where it's going to ask me what the point range is that I want to apply this transformation to. In my case, I'm going to apply it to all of my points. I know I've only got about 20 points here, so I'm just going to go over that range and put 1 to 100. Once I have that, I'm going to hit OK, and then it's going to go through its little processing animation and tell me when it is complete. And you can see here that my points have quite dramatically shifted by about 90 degrees, just as we entered. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use the rotate tool inside of MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I'd please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.